Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to spot fake cooking videos and common hoaxes. First, pay close attention to the editing. Seamless cuts can hide a lot, especially when a process seems too quick or easy to be true. Look for quick transitions between steps or sudden changes in lighting or angle that might mask an undisclosed action. These subtle clues are often the first giveaway that something is not quite right, signaling a need for a closer look at the presented method or ingredient transformation. Many viral cooking demonstrations rely heavily on clever editing for seemingly miraculous results. Observe closely for jump cuts where an item suddenly appears altered, or for hands that move out of frame only to return with a different ingredient. For example, a pastry rising perfectly in a few seconds, or a dish turning golden brown without visible heat, likely indicates a swap. A truly pristine kitchen throughout a messy process is also highly suspicious, suggesting multiple takes or extensive cleaning. Beyond editing, some videos present methods that simply defy real-world physics or chemistry. Watch out for ingredients melting instantly at room temperature or liquids solidifying without any chilling, as these are physically impossible. For instance, creating a perfectly clear, solid jelly from water in mere seconds without refrigeration is a clear fabrication. If a technique violates basic scientific understanding, like heating something to 200 degrees Fahrenheit in moments with only a common lighter, it is likely a hoax, not practical cooking advice. To fully debunk a suspicious video, consider a quick check on its claims. If a technique seems too good to be true, a quick search on a reputable cooking website or a culinary science channel can often provide clarity. You might even try a small-scale experiment at home, perhaps using just 1/4 of the ingredients to see if the process actually works. Developing a healthy skepticism will empower you to discern genuine cooking tips from elaborate fictions, ensuring your culinary adventures are based on reality, not deception.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.